Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you had a good week, even though the markets have not been treating us too well. Personally, the week was fine. I mean, personally, I did do some trading on Monday and Tuesday, but outside of that, I've just laid back and really did a lot in terms of analyzing and in terms of drawing up plans. But that did not do a lot of trading because, and you can see the same thing with Dogecoin, and when we'll talk about it in this video. But altcoins have not had a great week. It already started, of course, from Sunday to Monday. The drop we had, I mean, for Dogecoin, honestly, it's still pretty decent. I mean, Dogecoin dropped down, slightly lower than the crash, the 20th of December. But we recovered above that crash. And if you take a look at most altcoins right now, trust me, they would have loved to be at the same levels as the crash the 20th of December. So Dogecoin held on pretty good. But what I told you 2 days ago and what I told you after the crash for Dogecoin, and for that we'll zoom in, is that I did think we would see some mean reversion, right? So that's usually after such a violent crash, you actually get a bit of a mean reversal, so the price jumps back up, and then it continues in the trend. But the trend for Dogecoin was already, when we broke down below 31 cents, was already turning slightly bearish, and you could have already seen that with the 12-hour time frame right here, the trend band falling down. Or at least it was already starting to slope down a little bit from the 27th of January. 4-hour time frame, it was already the case earlier. And that is still the situation right now. All right, Dogecoin, unfortunately, also if you take a look at the 4-hour time frame, like the recovery on Monday was great. But then afterwards, we really did not find any support at any support level. Like 27.5 cents should have been a support level. It's a psychological and technical level historically. Like historically, it's been respected quite a bit, but what you can see is that we respected it initially, but did not gain any strength from it and dropped down below that, instantly retested it, right? So that's a bearish confirmation technically, and since then we've been falling. And if you take a look at the open interest has been down and flat. And this is not fully going to be negative, trust me, and the volume has also been relatively flat. I mean, it's been going up a bit more since yesterday afternoon. Yesterday afternoon we did see the bottom around 25 cents being defended quite a bit, so that's bullish, that's positive. But overall volume has been dropping down. All right, so what that means is that, and I've said this before, what you see right now is with Dogecoin is that the bottoms are being defended, so that's a good thing. But the volume is not being used up to really create some sort of bullish momentum and some sort of an uptrend. And there's also fundamentally, talking about Elon Musk, talking about Trump, talking about the Department of Government Efficiency, all of the updates around that are also not really providing bullish momentum for Dogecoin. So the one thing that Dogecoin that can still really help Dogecoin is a meme coin season. And that's certainly not going on right now. All right, so therefore, what I would expect is that, if Bitcoin moves up, so today we have some economic data. If the data is good and Bitcoin moves into 101,000, Dogecoin can bounce as well. But I don't see Dogecoin turning into a bullish structure unless we actually do gain some new momentum from Trump, from Elon Musk, or from the meme coin season. All right, so short term, like I said, I see that bottoms are being defended. I think they will. I think that they will stay defended, or I think they will keep defending those support levels. If the market turns slightly bullish, I think we can move into 29 cents. I would actually expect that. All right, so I do actually, from this level around 24, 25 cents, I do still expect to move up. But unfortunately, given the way I look at Bitcoin, the markets, and Dogecoin right now, I do think after that we're dropping down lower into 22.5 cents and potentially even 20 cents. Which again, I do think those support levels will hold. I think they'll be defended, but that's something very different from being the support level and turning bullish from there, which I do not expect. But those are my thoughts. That's sort of thing you need to know. Hopefully that helps. For now, that's it. So thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next videos, and bye.